Interactive Brokers Crypto App. The pros, the cons. The Interactive Brokers Crypto App brings one of the most respected names in traditional investing into the world of digital assets. But how does it stack up against educated crypto platforms? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the biggest advantage is trust and regulation. Interactive Brokers is a global brokerage giant with decades of experience and a strong reputation for security and compliance. This gives users confidence that their funds are handled with strict oversight, something that's still rare in the crypto world. The platform allows users to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash directly from the same account they use for stocks, bonds, and ETFs. That means no need to juggle multiple apps or wallets, everything is under one roof. Another major pro is low fees. Interactive Brokers offers some of the lowest crypto trading costs in the industry, often as low as 0.12% per trade. That's significantly cheaper than many crypto exchanges. It also integrates with FDIC-insured cash accounts for easy deposits and withdrawals, creating a seamless bridge between traditional finance and digital assets. But what about the cons? One major limitation is that Interactive Brokers' crypto services are custodial. You can trade crypto, but you don't own the private keys. That means you can't send your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet or use it into fiat. It stays within their system. Another con is limited coin selection. While the platform is growing, it currently supports only a handful of cryptocurrencies. And finally, while great for investors, it's not built for crypto-native users. There is no NFT marketplace, staking, or blockchain features, just straightforward trading. In conclusion, the Interactive Brokers Crypto App is ideal for traditional investors who want safe, regulated exposure to crypto. The surprising truth? It's not for everyone. If you're a trader looking for convenience and trust, it's perfect. But if you're a blockchain enthusiast who values decentralization, you want more control over your coins.